I am Dr. M. Tamil Shelvi, Professor, Department of Civil Engineering, Rohini College of Engineering and Technology. The next topic is vehicle characteristics. The vehicle characteristics is affecting the road of the road design may be classified into two types: static characteristics, dynamic characteristics. The first one is the static characteristics. The static characteristics include vehicle dimension, weight, axle configuration, turning of radius, and a turning path. The vehicle dimensions can affect the road and traffic design is mainly width, height, length, rear overhang, and ground clearance. The width of vehicle affect the width of lanes, shoulders, and parking facility. The height of the vehicle affect the clearance height of structures like over bridges, under bridges, and electric and other services lines, and also placing of sign and signals. Then weight axle configuration. The weight of the vehicle is major consideration during the design of pavement, both flexible and rigid. The weight of the vehicle is transferred to the pavement through the axles, and so the design parameters are fixed on the basis of the number of axles. The power to weight ratio is measure of the ease with the vehicle can move. It determines the operating efficiency of vehicles on the road. The ratio is more important for heavy vehicles. Turning radius and turning path. The minimum turning radius is depend on the design and class of the vehicle. The effective width of vehicle is increased on a turning. This is also important at an intersection, road, roundabout, terminals, and parking areas. Acceleration and braking characteristics. Power performance, some aspect of vehicle body design. Speed. The vehicle speed affect side distances, super elevation, length of transition curve, and limiting radius of horizontal curves, length of transition curves on vehicle valley curves and humps, width of pavement shoulders on straight on horizontal curves, design gradient, capacity of traffic lane, design and control measures on intersection. Then acceleration characteristics. The acceleration capacity of vehicle depends on its mass, the resistance to motion, and available power. In general, the acceleration rates are highest at low speeds, decrease as speed increases. Heavier vehicles have lower rates of acceleration than passengers car. For heavy vehicles like trucks will delay all passengers at an intersection. Braking performance. The braking performance and declaration characters of vehicles are prime importance. The time and distance taken to stop the vehicle is very important as far as the design of various traffic facilities are concerned. Trucks are forced to declarate and grades because their power is not sufficient to maintain their desired speed. As trucks slow down on grades, long gap will be formed in the traffic stream, cannot be efficiently killed by normal passing maneuvers. Side distance is stopping side distance include both the reaction time and the distance covered in stopping. Clearance and change interval. The clearance and change intervals are again related to safe stopping distances. All vehicles at a distance further away than one stopping side distance from the signal, but the yellowish flash is assumed to be able to stop. So forces have to overcome the purposes rolling. The forces have to overcome for these purposes: rolling resistance, air resistance, grade resistance, inertia forces during acceleration, and deceleration, transmission loss. These are the traffic characteristics. Then 5 E's of traffic engineering: engineering, enforcement, education, economics, and environmental. The study of traffic engineering may be divided into 6 major sections: traffic characteristics, traffic surveys and analysis, traffic operation control and regulations, planning and analysis, geometrical design. Thank you.